Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Pokémon Go. If we go to settings, here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here you will search about the application of Pokémon Go. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.